Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ATS format resume. Understanding applicant tracking systems is crucial for your job search success. These systems scan your resume for specific keywords and proper formatting, often before a human ever sees it. We'll cover why a well-formatted ATS resume can significantly increase your chances of getting an interview, helping you stand out in a competitive job market. Let's dive into the essentials. When formatting your resume for an ATS, simplicity is key. Stick to standard fonts like Arial or Calibri and use clear headings for sections such as experience and education. Avoid fancy templates with complex graphics, text boxes, or columns, as these can often be unreadable by the system. A clean, straightforward layout ensures the ATS can accurately parse your information, making your resume easily digestible for the software. Optimizing your resume with keywords is vital for ATS success. Carefully read the job description and identify key terms and phrases. Then, strategically weave these keywords into your experience and skills sections. Use powerful action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements, and always quantify your successes with numbers, like increased sales by 15% or managed a team of 10. This helps the ATS recognize your qualifications. Before submitting, always proofread your resume meticulously for any typos or grammatical errors. Even one mistake can be costly. A great tip is to use an online ATS scanner to check how well your resume performs. Aim for conciseness, typically 1 page for early career professionals and up to 2 pages for those with more experience. Finally, remember to update your resume regularly, ensuring it always showcases your most current skills and achievements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.